This is more than a house. It is a vision brought to life. A place where Parisian elegance meets the organic soul of an avatar-inspired world. Every line flows with intention. Every light tells a story. This home was not designed to impress at first glance, but to reveal itself slowly. Space by space. Moment by moment.
Welcome to Creative Abode, where the art of design meets life. Explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring spaces. Transform your home, discover new trends, and indulge in beautiful aesthetics. Let's create spaces that reflect your style, comfort, and creativity. Make yourself at home, and let your imagination wander.
The façade sets the tone immediately. Parisian stone architecture stands tall and refined, while organic curves soften its presence. Bioluminescent details glow subtly from within the structure, creating contrast without excess. Winter light and restrained Christmas decor enhance the mood, never overpowering the design. This entrance does not demand attention. It earns it, quietly, confidently. The living room is the heart of the home. High ceilings preserve Parisian grandeur. Curved walls and flowing lines guide movement naturally. Warm stone meets glowing wood. Cool bioluminescent tones balance golden light. Christmas accents are refined, not decorative noise. This space invites conversation, reflection, and calm. Luxury here feels lived in, not staged. The master bedroom is a retreat. Soft walls. Controlled light. A sculpted headboard that glows gently in the background. Tall Parisian windows filter winter daylight. Textures in ivory, teal, and gold add warmth without weight. Seasonal elements are subtle, almost whispered. This room prioritizes rest, silence, and balance. The kitchen blends art and precision. Marble surfaces flow organically, veined with soft bioluminescent light. Cabinetry respects classic proportions, while embracing futuristic form. Bronze fixtures introduce warmth. Lighting adds depth and contrast. This is a kitchen designed for presence, not just performance. The mezzanine connects the home vertically and visually. It overlooks the living space without interrupting it. The staircase feels sculptural, with softly glowing edges guiding each step. Parisian ironwork is reimagined with organic curves. Seasonal details remain minimal. This space reinforces flow, continuity, and cohesion. The bathroom feels like a private spa. A stone bathtub carved as a centerpiece. Limestone walls. Soft steam. Reflections of light. Daylight filters through Parisian windows. Balanced by candle-like warmth. Every detail slows the pace. Routine transforms into ritual here. The front yard extends the story outdoors. Stone paths guide arrival. Organic landscaping glows softly against winter snow. Parisian gates establish structure, while lighting softens the geometry. Christmas elements are woven into nature, not placed on top of it. This space prepares the mind before entry. The rooftop opens to the Parisian skyline. Organic stone seating creates intimacy at height. Bioluminescent patterns glow beneath your feet. Glass railings preserve openness. Winter textures add comfort. Lanterns provide warmth without distraction. This is a space for reflection, not spectacle. The working room is calm and focused. A sculpted desk anchors the space. Bookshelves curve gently along the walls. Natural light enters through tall windows. Ambient lighting maintains clarity. Seasonal decor is minimal by design. This room respects concentration and thought. The backyard reveals a quieter side of the home. Organic plants glow softly in the night. Stone seating encourages pause. Snow reflects warm, controlled light. Seasonal details remain understated. This space is designed for evenings, conversation, and reconnection with nature. This home is a balance of worlds. Parisian discipline meets organic imagination. Tradition meets the future. Structure meets emotion. It proves that architecture can be visionary, yet deeply livable. More than a house. This is an experience. Designed to be felt, not rushed.